Priya has hiccups. Let me show you how to stop hiccups.
Okay, the trick is you have to put 3 fingers on the same pose. Okay, and then the next time you hiccup, press as hard as you can and hold your breath. The next time you hiccup.
Okay.
You really have to press it down all 3 points at the same time. It's gone now. It's gone.
Is it?
Yeah, I told you.
It works, right?